What's up, guys? Your boy Omar Khan. Today we'll be talking about Dogecoin and why is Dogecoin dropping. Everybody's freaking out. Looking like the team did send me some notes to cover. Looking like we're entering into a bear market, and everyone wants to know what's going on. So earlier today we did talk about why Shiba Inu is dropping. If you haven't watched that video on your investing in Shiba Inu, I highly recommend taking it out. It was posted not too long ago, so go take a look at my previous videos. But today we talk about Dogecoin, probably most people's fan favorite, especially if you're invested in Shiba Inu. There's a very good chance you're invested in Dogecoin, and at 32 cents, guys, this looks beautiful. If we all believe, well, guys, if you don't believe Dogecoin is gonna hit $1, you're mistaken. This is definitely gonna hit $1 with the amount of attention around it. So all I see this as, this is just an opportunity to get it at a discount, like a lot of people are doing. So why did we see Dogecoin drop over here and earlier today and here? Now there's some speculation, rumor, guys. I can't come with some confirmation, some screenshots, some documentation here. No, unfortunately, we're gonna be going off pure speculation here. So what looks like is happening is Dogecoin is actually following very similar patterns to Bitcoin. And guys, look at that, okay? Focus. Tell me that doesn't look the same. It's almost identical. Other than the fact that one is red and one is green. Green obviously being Bitcoin and red being Dogecoin. Okay, guys, what is happening here? There's a very good chance, because Dogecoin and Bitcoin are probably the two front runners in cryptocurrency, especially for right now. Yes, there's Shiba Inu. Yes, there's Safecoin, but those are community coins. As for solid, coins that have been for a long time, we see Bitcoin, we see Dogecoin, we see Ethereum. And again, Dogecoin is a meme coin. Don't make me fool you guys and say it's a front runner. It's just in popularity, it's up there with Bitcoin. Okay, so we are seeing as large institutions own these coins, and they typically manipulate the price by simply collectively dumping a coin at the same time, causing fear. And what happens is when people see the price goes down a lot and they're not learned of the market, they don't understand how the market works. It's like, for example, if I see Dogecoin dip down, first thought in my mind is, yo, should I buy the dip or not? That's me, because I'm trained, I've been studying this, I've been trying to understand crypto for a while now. Versus a new investor, they say, oh man, I just lost all my crypto gains, should I sell before it all goes away? Bad thinking, guys. When it comes to crypto investing, even investing in the stock market, especially if you're a beginner and you're not playing with a lot of money, it's always best to play in the long haul, especially with a coin like Dogecoin that has a ton of potential, with Elon Musk being its number one supporter, number one fanboy. We see a lot of potential around Dogecoin. And then same thing with Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin is the front runner of cryptocurrency, is going to be the future. So don't fall for this FUD. So essentially, the reason why we're seeing Dogecoin dipping down multiple times throughout the day, following similar patterns to Bitcoin, is looks like the same guys who are owning big bags, big whales in Bitcoin are also having bags in Dogecoin, and they're playing the same game, guys. This couldn't be perfectly synced by coincidence, right? Right at 5 o'clock, we're seeing a big drop over here. And then essentially the reason why they do this is to create fear in the marketplace, so they could, sell high and then create some fear and buy low. We do know we're entering into a bear market, and it's just obviously creating fear already. And then now these guys are creating more fear, so again, they could just profit, crash the price, and buy in at the dip again. Obviously, that's why we're seeing prices rising very, very shortly after, and then we see another dip, which again is absolutely normal. It's just typical manipulation that we see in this marketplace. Now, another news why Dogecoin could potentially have dropped is Mr. Donald Trump, former president Donald Trump, had a lot of negative things to say about Bitcoin. Obviously, him being old school, standing behind the dollar, and him wanting the dollar to be the primary currency, and Bitcoin being a direct competitor, he was not so happy about the idea of cryptocurrency. And I recommend you to go ahead and take a look at that video. It was actually a pretty good interview. I might actually cover that a little bit more detail, but essentially, he wasn't a fan. And now anybody who believes in Donald Trump, and huge Trump supporters, right? They believe in message. What they most likely have done is, if they stood true to what he said, and they believe what he says, is they sold their Bitcoin, they sold their Dogecoin, they basically closed all the crypto accounts, and we're like, you know what, we're behind Trump, we're gonna stand behind the dollar. And that's potentially what we saw here as well. However, guys, this is nothing to fear. This is just another bear market that we're gonna get through. In the long haul, this will be nothing. If anything, you could buy now, and a couple of months or weeks down the line, you will be back in the green. We're already seeing Dogecoin recovering. We're already seeing it up 0.68% on the day, and then Bitcoin actually doing a little bit better, up 2.5% on the day. Typical manipulation, right, guys? Like the big guys got to eat, sitting right at 30 33,000 for Bitcoin and 30 cents for Dogecoin. They're following pretty similar patterns. Again, guys, if you want to get the latest and greatest updates on Dogecoin and other popular cryptocurrencies, make sure you subscribe to the channel as I cover these coins closely. I'm excited to see what happens. Even in a bear market, guys, there's a lot of money to be made. Last year around this time, Bitcoin trading for stupid low prices. Binance trading, I was actually reading a post, Binance was $17 last year. Imagine if you got in last year, right? For reference, last year this time, Bitcoin trading for less than 10 grand, obviously up 3 times, and at one point up almost 7 times. Guys, this is nothing to play. We are in it to win it, in it for the long haul. I was showing the chart here, just below 10K, and then, peaking up here at 65. We're in it for the long haul. We're in it to make some money. And if you want to know when I buy and sell cryptocurrencies, make sure you join my Patreon. It'll be the first link in the channel, another way to support this channel. That's basically for this video, folks. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so you should not take what I'm saying as financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence when investing in the cryptocurrency marketplace. All right, that's basically for this video, folks. Until next time, only invest in money willing to lose. It's your boy Umar. Peace.